In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable a passkey on Notion step by step so you can make your account more secure and sign in without relying on passwords. Passkeys are one of the safest and easiest ways to protect your Notion workspace, especially if you're using it daily for work, study, or personal projects. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on desktop or web. Once you're inside Notion, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you'll see your workspace name along with a small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens up the main workspace menu where you can manage your account and settings. From this menu, find and click on Settings. This is where Notion lets you control everything related to your account, security, and preferences. After clicking Settings, a new panel will open with multiple sections on the left-hand side. Next, look for the section labeled Account and click on it. The Account section contains your personal details, login options, and security features. Scroll slightly if needed until you see the security-related options for your Notion account. Now, find the option that says Add Passkey. This is the feature that allows you to set up passwordless login using your device's built-in authentication, like fingerprint, face recognition, or your device PIN. Click on Add Passkey to continue. After that, click on Add New Passkey. Notion will now prompt your device or browser to create a passkey. Depending on what you're using, you may be asked to confirm with your fingerprint, Face ID, Windows Hello, or your device's lock screen PIN. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once the process is finished, your passkey will be successfully added to your Notion account. From now on, you can use this passkey to log in quickly and securely without typing a password. This not only saves time, but also adds an extra layer of protection against phishing and account breaches. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a passkey on Notion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.